Hello guys, look. My friend is crossing the river now. Look, and at this time the weather is very lovely and clear. He is a Adivasi man, guys. Look, and he know how to swimming. Look, he is swimming like fish. Surface of the water. Look, guys. Ada kg man hobo na nai? Hobo na nai? Ada kg? Ada kg. At this time the weather is very lovely, guys. Look, and clouds are becoming so darky. Lot of fish. He will brought up me. Now I will see. Dekho. Wow, how cool. Look, guys. He's going to show fish at this time. Look. Soto. Look, guys. What a beautiful and colorful fish, guys. Anyway, guys, thank you till then.